and today I am going to paint today, and but I'm not gonna, I'm just gonna paint something. I have it in my mind. I'm thinking I'm going to make a waterfall scene. So I'm gonna try my best at it, and I hope I do well. Cause, I want to make a good, nice little painting. So, what I am going to start, I am going to need blue. I'm just to say what I'm going to use right now, I am going to use some I have never known how to pronounce this. It's some cerulean blue. I'm going to use some of that. I'm going to use cobalt blue. And I'm going to use acrylic blue. No, not acrylic blue. Ultramarine blue. So, we'll get started. So, I'm gonna get myself some paint. So let's get started. Alright, change my mind. I'm only gonna use cerulean blue and ultramarine. So I am just going to get started with the background, and I'm just going to blow dry it. Alright guys, I already love it right now. I love it. It's amazing. Already, I just love it. Just already. And this is only the background. Hopefully this turns out how I see it in my head, Because just how sad that would be, For it not to turn out what it's like in your head. I'm just going to get the sides, and then I'm going to blow dry it so I can go on to the next part. Now, I'm going to blow dry it. Actually, I'm going to get the bottom. Hold on. should all be dry. Just a little bit right now. But, okay. Okay. I'm just going to start on the other stuff. Okay. So, I'm going to use permanent green light mixed with sap green. That's my grass. And so now I'm going to blow dry it again. It's blow dried mostly. So I'm going to do the next part of what I'm doing. And so for that I'm going to use, I don't know, I'm going to mix black and white to make gray. Because I'm going to need some gray. You can just get gray if you are doing what I'm doing. I don't know if you are, but you know. Okay, so I got my gray, and this is what it looks like. Just stick my finger in the green. Okay, I'm going to paint the next part, you know. And you know, if you don't like your gray, you know, just add some stuff, hopefully. There. And now, this is scary, so I don't know. Okay, I think I'm going to use this blue again, the Surreal blue or whatever it's called. I have never known how to read that, but you know, I will someday. I changed my mind. We are mixing some blues. We're mixing Surreal blue and cobalt blue. Just a little cobalt blue. Just mix it. And we get a brand new blue, you know. Nope, gotta add a little bit more cobalt. A lot of cobalt. We're gonna mix it. This isn't turning out well. So we're going to take a different blue and use a different blue. We're using ultramarine blue. Hopefully this is a dark blue because I want a dark blue. Yep, it's dark. Alright. We got this dark blue. We're mixing it with even darker blue. With a little bit of light blue. We're just testing out colors, okay? Because I need something darker. Oh, we're gonna need some more gray now. So, yeah. Don't worry. I don't think I'm close to finished. It looks brownish on the canvas, but it looks gray on here. Okay, so. Okay, now we're gonna take this. No. Actually, yeah, we're gonna take this. I'm gonna take this brush and get some white. And you'll see. Hopefully the white doesn't have green in it, because this paintbrush is green. Oh man, I should have mixed it with a little bit of blue to make it, you know, a light bluish. Ooh. Okay, so the sky, we are going to add some birds in it. Birds are easy to draw, so this will be quick and short and quick and easy. So I think that's enough birds. So yeah, well, that's my painting. I like it. So yeah, I like it. I actually kind of like it. It looks pretty good. Pretty good to me. Okay, so here's what it looks like. Okay, so, I hope you like this video. Like, subscribe, comment down below if you can. Thanks for watching. Bye!